July's been a big month here at Darby Plaza. We've completed the level 3 suspended deck and started stripping formwork to the basement levels and the ground floor. We're now forming up level 4, all the precast is in up to that level 4 level, and today we're putting in the steel stairs in both of the lift cores. So now that we've got the formwork stripped to the underside of this awning, which extends out into the public area, you can really see how high this is. It lines up with Darby Street coming through here to create a great view corridor and a great outdoor space for the public. Now that the ground floor is stripped, you can really see how impressive it is with the high ceilings to the entry foyer and the 2 commercial spaces on this level. This is the end of trip facilities where we've got showers, lockers and changing facilities. We've also got bike storage for 40 bikes and a surfboard room.